Hello, great people. Welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you again. Governor Igbo, after meeting with the president over an undisclosed issue, have decided to take a stand about 2023 and Igbo Presidency. Also, in another news, the fracas between Jonathan and the Minister of Transportation has brought a lot of reactions from the Niger Delta, and a particular group have seen a strong warning to the Minister of Transportation, talking about Amaechi, over the way he had treated the President Goodluck Jonathan administration and the words he has used against him. We're going to be looking at all of these in a jiffy. But before we do that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. The governor of Abia State, Governor Igbo, has insisted that Southeast deserves to produce Nigerian president in 2023. Igbo said the Southeast knows and understands Nigeria better than any other region. Addressing State House correspondent after meeting with President Muhammadu Buhari, the governor said Igbos can be found everywhere, including Samisa. Igbo, however, noted that the Southeast need to negotiate and discuss with other regions of the country. According to Igbo, said, having said that, I think that the Southeasterners have a right to take a shot at the presidency of Nigeria, and I dare say that our qualification starts from the fact that we understand and know Nigeria better than the other states of Nigeria. I dare say this is my opinion. We go everywhere, we are everywhere, we invest everywhere, we are pan-Nigerian people. Today, a lot of people on a lighter note are afraid of Samisa. But for an Igbo man, Samisa is a business opportunity. So it will be preposterous of me not to add my voice to that one. However, the question of Nigeria's president of Southeast extraction is a national question that requires negotiation, discussion, and conversation with all parts of this country. And I am least qualified to determine what happened in 2023. Lately, political stakeholders from the Southeast have been agitating for Nigerian president of Southeast extraction. They noted that other regions of the country have produced president except the Southeast. Meanwhile, in another news, Rivers State Power Shift Advocacy Group, Riverine Governors for 23, RG23 movement, has cautioned Minister of Transportation Rotimi Amaechi to desist from further deriding former President Goodluck Jonathan in the guise of criticizing the Jonathan era in the federal administration. RG23, in a communique following a closed-door meeting of its leader convened in Port Harcourt on Wednesday, charged Amaechi to leave Jonathan alone and concentrate on helping to improve the gains of incumbent President Muhammadu Buhari administration. Convener of the meeting, Pore Kalango, in a reading of the communique stated, and I quote, he said, "We believe the political crisis that heralded the 2015 elections in the Niger Delta, especially Rivers State, was the biggest mistake the region made. Towards another political dispensation in 2023, RG23 as a grassroots movement warned that any individual or group that attacked the person of former President Jonathan or his wife, Patience Jonathan, does not mean well for the Niger Delta and risk political rejection." Samuel Uran, head mobilization for the group, said, rather than escalate their partisan differences, RG23 is committed to support the transport minister and the former president to join forces to pursue a united political front come 2023 in the best interest of the Niger Delta and its people. Quite interesting. I was expecting this to come up considering how the Minister of Transportation lambasted President Goodluck Jonathan and making some claims about his administration, which was found to be so untrue. Now, one of the things he made mention was the fact that the money left behind by Jonathan was not even enough to take care of the country for 3 weeks. He was lambasted left, right, and center. And first in the list was Jonathan's aides, former aide, talking about Reno Omokri, who came out to tell Nigeria what was left behind. And from his narration, it was good enough to take care of the country for quite a long time. You understand? And but everyone, most of those who have castigated Amaechi said that he did that just to see how he can win the favor of the Northerners in respect to the 2023, upcoming election. Don't forget that Amaechi that we're talking about has featured as the governor of Rivers State, for 8 years. He had also featured as a benefactor or maybe beneficiary of this current administration, two-time minister, and in his own way he has performed. But I feel that right now, what is their target, or what is his target, is actually to become at least a vice president under any particular person. But he just wants that position. But I feel that using someone to win your way into the hearts of the Northerners is not just the way out of it. They have seen your performance. They know who you are. They know your political affiliations with themselves. So it's on the basis of that they will judge you. Going about talking some garbage about Jonathan. Yeah, we know he performed, or we know that he didn't perform superbly as expected. And there are a lot of things that he closed his eyes to, which has grown so big that to control it becomes an issue today. But then we cannot still forget that there were very good moves he took, that if he was given more years to lead the country, it wouldn't have been what it is today. Like Mohammed have come up to tell Nigerians the more than 100 achievement of President Muhammadu Buhari, to a point of even mentioning, loans. Getting of loans become an achievement. I just ask myself, when did that become an achievement? How can you be enlisting that to be one of the achievements of this current administration? Obviously, that's absolutely wrong. And despite the fact that, so many people have gone down in respect to, insecurity, they are still saying that the effort thus far points to the fact that he has done so well. I mean, you're not talking to babies. You're talking to more than 200 million people, and you don't expect them to watch you say those lies and they applaud you for it. We know that this administration have not done well in multiple areas. To the Nigerians are crying out. It's not even coming from the south, it's even coming from the north. They are wailing and crying about the level of insecurity, not just insecurity alone, but economic hardship, in the country. So I think that with that rebuke from that group, Amaechi will have to control himself. But then let's focus on, the issue of the Igbos becoming the president of Nigeria. I feel that it's quite timely. The response from Abia State Governor is quite timely. These guys have done so much for this country, and that's why I'm just wondering, hearing the Southwesterners gathering and talking about the issue of a Southwesterner again. No, Mbanu. These guys have given us enough time, and this is the time to compensate them. Yes, they need to start bridge building to different regions and negotiations and lobbying and all of that. But let us make up our minds to integrate them back by giving them an opportunity to lead the country. At least the first 4 years, they know that even if peradventure, if they present the wrong person, that it will still blow on their faces. But it is high time we give these people a chance. I know for sure that if the right person is given an opportunity to lead this country, especially from Southeast, we are so sure that the economic status of the country will improve greatly. And I know so well also that knowing that the security situation have so much impact on the economic status of the country, he will also do something about it. So right now, I feel that they should be given an opportunity, just like Ikbezu has rightly said. Give them an opportunity and watch them turn around the fortunes of Nigeria. Nigerians are really eager to see that happen. However, I'd like to leave it there. Go to our comment section